Hello, good morning to all. Today we are going to study about the Rolle's theorem and the mean value theorem in continuity and differentiability chapter. Okay, so first of all, Rolle's theorem. What is Rolle's theorem? Suppose f is a function defined from closed interval ab to r, be continuous on closed interval ab and differentiable on open interval ab, such that f of a equals to f of b, where a and b are some real numbers, and there exists some c in open interval ab such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So क्या कहती है ये थ्योरम? सपोज हमारे पास एक फंक्शन है f फ्रॉम ए बी टू r और कंटिन्यूस है क्लोज्ड इंटरवल ए बी पे एंड डिफरेंशिएबल है ओपन इंटरवल ए बी पे. ठीक है, देन एंड वी हैव दैट f of a equals to f of b for some real numbers a and b, then there must exist a real number c in open interval ab such that f dash c equals to 0. Okay, we are going to see it graphically how it looks like. Suppose we have figure 5.12 and 5.13. There is a graph in Cartesian plane. This is the graph of f. Okay, and we take 2 points a and b on x-axis and the corresponding value of y for a and b. As you can see here, this and this, they are same. Okay, as you can see, the value of a is this, and the value of b, that is f of b, equals to this, and these both have values are same because they are the same value on the y-axis. So this graph must have a point, that is point c, in the domain for which the f of c equals to 0. Okay, do you get it? This is f of c, but you see we have f dash c equals to 0. What is f dash c? It is the rate of change. So here on this point, the rate of change is 0. As you can see, when we start from a and approach to c, this rate of change is increasing, and then after this point c, it is decreasing. But at this particular point, that is c, this graph is parallel to x-axis, that is the rate of change is 0. Okay, similarly in this graph we have a point, we have 2 points, this and this, where the rate of change is 0, that is f dash c equals to 0. Okay, now we are going to study about mean value theorem. Now suppose f is a function from closed interval ab to r, be a continuous function on closed interval ab and differentiable on open interval ab. Then there exists some c in open interval ab such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. So the whole definition is same. Just in last theorem, Rolle's theorem, we had value of f dash c equals to 0. But here we are going to find out the value of f dash c with the help of values of b and c. Okay, as you can see in the graph, in the Cartesian plane, we have two values are given, that is at a and b. At a and b we have the values here. This is the value, that is this point is denoted as a and f a. F of a is a point in the range of f, that is on y axis. Okay, and similarly b has a value, that is f of b. So this is our graph. this is a curved graph. Okay, and we are going to find out the value of f dash c at point C. We know that by Rolle's theorem, at this value, we can see here from that value of f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. So simply putting the values of a and b and f of a and f of b, we can find the value of f dash c. Okay. So now we will see some examples and then you will better understand both the theorems. Suppose we take the example for Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2 and where a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. Okay, so this is a function given and you see how we are going to verify the function y is equal to x square plus 2. First we have to check that this function is continuous in this interval and differentiable in this. Okay, so I hope you all know how to verify this, that this is continuous and differentiable. Also, now we have to check the values. By putting the values a equal to minus 2 here, we are going to get 4 plus 2, that is 6. And when we put b equals to 2, we are also going to get the value 6. So both the values of f of minus 2 and f of 2 are equal to 6. So by Rolle's theorem, we are going to have a point C belongs to open interval minus 2, 2, where f dash C is equal to 0. Okay. So what we are going to do first, to find f dash C, we have to find out f dash x. So simply differentiate this function. Okay. So when you differentiate y is equal to x square plus 2, we are going to get what? 2x, right? So here we have 2x. And when we put the value of c is equal to 0 here, this is going to become 0. So f dash c is equal to 0. Okay. Hence verified. Now we will see an example of mean value theorem for the function y is equal to fx in the interval 2, 4. Okay. So how? Similarly, we have to check whether this is continuous in the closed interval 2, 4 and differentiable in open interval 2, 4, and the derivative at this is derivative. Okay, so this is derivative. We represent it like uh, this. Okay, f dash is equal to 2x. Similar, this is a similar function. Differentiate of x square is equal to 2x and defined in 2, 4. Okay. Now f of 2, value of f at 2 is equal to, when you put 2 here, that is 4, and value of f at 4 is equal to 16. Okay, this is very simple. Then we have to find the value of fb minus fa upon b minus a. Just simply put the value 16 minus 4 upon 4 minus 2, that is equal to 6. And mean value theorem states that there is a point C. This says that f dash c is equal to this. So f dash c is equal to 6. But f dash x is equal to 2x. Okay, we have found out here that f dash x is equal to 2x. So when we put the value of c, that is equal to 3, thus at c equal to 3, we have f dash c is equal to 6. So both the ways we are getting the values 6. So mean value theorem is also verified. Okay, so that's it about the Rolle's theorem and the mean value theorem. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you very much.